afternoon, everyone. We are here with Jared Clark and Selvan Governor. We work for VAG Spec and today we'll be diagnosing an Audi A5 on a charging problem.
Battery was replaced yesterday at some other dealership and the vehicle is still running flat, so we're going to do a diagnostic to see whether the alternator is charging or not. Hi, now I'm going to start the vehicle so we can have a look and see if there's any warning lights concerning the battery. As you can see, there's no warning lights concerning the battery or charging issue. But now we're going to run a test at the back of where the battery is situated in the boot and test the alternator charging level. Okay, here we have a battery tester which is linked up to the battery in the boot here, and we're going to go to the alternator to test the alternator whether it's charging. We need to increase the speed idle, the revs up to 2000 RPMs for pick the RPM up to 2000. So we're gonna rev it up to 2000 for 2 minutes and then we'll run a test. At the moment it's reading that if there's any consumables pulling current from the battery, and it's going to test the alternator at the same time. That's why they want us to pick the RPMs up to 2000. We're almost there. We've got 10 seconds left. Then I'll press the button finish and it will give us a report. There. As you can see, the charging voltage is low. Charging at 12.78. It's supposed to be 14 volts and above. Did you know that if your alternator is not charging, your battery voltage will drop to a point where it will shut off all your consumers that you are using in the car? Like your power steering will shut off, you won't have any power steering anymore. Your aircon, if it's on, it will shut it off. If your radio is on, it will shut it off. It will shut your ABS off. Eventually it will go to a point where it will shut off the vehicle completely. The vehicle will switch off while driving because the battery voltage is gone to zero. That's because your alternator is not charging. Always remember to monitor your instrument cluster to check if there's a battery light that's coming on the dash while driving, or even it will come to a point where it will say battery voltage is too low. If that's the case, try and get the vehicle to the nearest VAG Spec branch for them to have a look at it, diagnose, and give you a report what needs to be done.